Good evening. Today we will start with a little political part. Recently, we are hearing that Donald Trump is discussing about the justification if he would have a defeat in the coming presidential election. How he will explain his defeat if it happens in presidential election. Now, coming to the point, first, what may be the reasons to stay invested in the equity market in the context of global scenario? In any equity market you can consider for. First reason, we know that market moves on liquidity. So, what we expect? Liquidity will remain intact or keep increasing or may decrease. These are the main fundamental of moving equity market or not. So, first, rate cut or repo rate cut. We have seen from 2016-17 to 2020 several rate cuts, several bond buying happened. Different measures has been taken to infuse liquidity. Even nowadays we are hearing about the corona bond to be issued by Government of India to add on liquidity. So, a very least part left to add on in terms of liquidity, because if any other measures taken other than bond buying, price of bond will go up. If any other measures taken to add on liquidity, then bond price will go up. Like you can say, what are the other measures? Rate cut, repo rate cut, note printings, and all these are another provisions. And now we are coming to the other part of this show, which is a quick roundup to choose the equity script. First, I have also discussed in my early video shows about the face value conversion. There were slides also that first we have to segregate the shares accordingly with the sectors, maybe cement, maybe auto, maybe infrastructure. After that, we have to convert the face value up to 10, from 1 to 10 by multiplying 10, from 2 to 10 by multiplying 5, or face value of rupees 5 to 10 multiplying by 2. Then you will get the actual price of the shares. Now we will start comparison. Total assets, fixed assets plus current assets minus total liabilities, fixed liabilities minus current liabilities. You are getting the figure. Thereafter, operating profit and operating profit margin both should be going up when you are studying balance sheet. And thereafter debt part should be considered, how much debt is there in the book, debt to equity ratio, and finally book value of the shares, means taking goodwill and adding asset minus liabilities total figure, then eliminating debt. Liabilities is also including the debt part also. So you have to get the book value. When share is trading below book value, then it is quite comfortable to buy. When share price trading above trade value, then I have to see the pedigree of the stock and the confidence of buyers on the promoters of that company, because when a share is trading above, far above from the book value, then it's trading in premium. So premium can be given only to that pedigree where its confidence level is higher. In that context, if we consider the Indian promoters, means I am taking the names of the good names of the company, means you can take all the names of the Nifty 50 companies, starting from the Tata to Birla, Reliance, Larsen and Toubro, Mahindra, and all the renowned Indian promoters having their good pedigree. Very least cases we have seen that they have deprived the customers and traders. So when investors or traders from foreign institutions, foreign investors will look at the India, they will have the best confidence on the promoters of Nifty 50. So it will be much more safer to stay invested with the best pedigree. So, and one more thing I would like to share with you, that the penetration in India in terms of demat trading and all, means people are getting inclined towards share trading and investment, maybe through mutual fund, maybe through direct trading, it depends upon, but penetration is going up finally. The effort they have started, means Government of India started from the beginning of 2014, starting with the Swachh Bharat Abhijan, and finally we have started getting results. We have seen some part of the Notebandi and all, some measures has been taken. So I think that it's on the track coming back, but some liquidity issues are there because of pandemic and all, and some war-like situation in the border tension. These are the main cause of the worry. Otherwise it's all right, and we should also remember that we are very close to Nifty all-time high, around 12,500. Now we are trading around 11,000 and we have gone up to 11,750. We couldn't sustain there and came down to 11,000 and below that. So a moderate correction may be expected here. So that much for today. Thank you everybody for watching me. Hope you are getting feeds. Thank you very much.